人生70才开始，不过伫澳洲有一个98岁阿嬷，伊65岁退休了后，开始拍山球。即卖伊一礼拜拍2届，而且全程18栋7公里，拢是伊家己个行的。伊展现出来活力，鼓舞分数边的朋友。伊嘛有家己一个目标，伊讲伊拍球要一直拍到100岁。
Too cold to hang around.
澳洲即马是冬天，透早温度拢无到-40度，不过这位98岁老阿嬷，伊原伫咧高尔夫球场内面，送着伊的家私，要开始今仔日的运动。球开出去，这位叫做萨德兰的老阿嬷，过2年就100岁啊！伊上喜欢的运动就是拍高尔夫球。
I just love the being outside, the company, the exercise. It's good fun. Best thing ever done. I don't think I'm old.
萨德兰逐礼拜拢会拍2遍高尔夫球，特别拢用行加18栋行头，差不多是7公里。这座塔斯马尼亚球场是起伫咧海岸边，路正行，对萨德兰来讲是正好的运动。
Absolutely inspirational. She just, I don't know how she does it.
She's amazing. We all love her.
正轻松就把球送去你哥领。萨德兰虽然是伫高尔夫球的发源地苏格兰出世，不过伊是一直到65岁退休了才开始接触，而且一开始拍了就爱着这项运动，讲希望会当拍到100岁。
You can do something really special, you know, hit a good shot. You know, that brings you back the next day. I just love it. I mean, I should have stopped years ago, but I'm still here.
公司新闻郑伟林编译。